Welcome back to Feng Shui Lucky Star 9, your sacred space for energy, healing, and home harmony. Ghost month is not the time to test your luck. If you're planning a big move, a wedding, or even a renovation, listen closely. Today, I'm revealing the most inauspicious activities to avoid during Ghost month, and what to do instead to stay protected, aligned, and energetically safe. Let's begin, my beautiful stars. What is Ghost month? This is a time when the veil between the living and spirit world is thinner. Hungry or wandering spirits are believed to roam freely, and because of that, yin energy becomes stronger. That's why it's crucial to stay low-key, cautious, and grounded during this season. Here are the top 3 activities you must postpone. 1. Moving to a new home. Moving during Ghost month is highly discouraged. You're inviting fresh energy into a space, but spirits may follow you in. This could lead to conflict, illness, or bad luck settling in your new home. If it's urgent, do a strong cleansing ritual, offer incense and food to spirits, and consult your feng shui or astrological date selection expert. 2. Weddings or big celebrations. Marriage is a powerful yang event, a joyful new beginning. But during Ghost month, that bright energy may be overshadowed by heavy yin forces. Weddings held during this time could lead to coldness, miscommunication, or even future separation. If it's already scheduled, consider moving the ceremonial date or doing spiritual protection rituals and lighting strong candles for yang balance. 3. Major renovations or groundbreaking. Breaking walls, digging earth, or doing major repairs during Ghost month can disturb the spirit realm, especially if your land or home has spiritual inhabitants. Even if you're just replacing furniture, avoid loud noise and heavy construction during this time. Alternative, schedule for after Ghost month or stick to gentle decluttering, smudging, or crystal charging instead. Other activities to avoid during Ghost month. First, nighttime swimming or staying out late alone. 2, whistling at night. It invites spirits. 3, drying clothes outdoors overnight. 4, leaving the main door open too long. 5, wearing all black or all red daily. Both can attract spirits depending on the context. What you can do instead. Ghost month is ideal for 1. Meditating. 2. Spiritual cleansing. 3. Reconnecting with ancestors. 4. Journaling your goals quietly. 5. Wearing protective charms and crystals like black obsidian, pyrite, or lapis lazuli. It's a yin season, best approached with respect, caution, and deep inner alignment. My beautiful stars, Ghost month is not something to fear, but to understand, respect, and prepare for. Thank you for watching Feng Shui Lucky Star 9, where your energy, home, and spirit are always honored and supported. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what Ghost month questions or rituals you'd like me to cover next. Until then, stay safe, stay centered, and stay lucky.